Hello, bosses and bosses to be. I am Richlene and welcome to Retail Concepts. Here I give you tips and insights to help you elevate your brand, whether it's fashion, beauty, or luxury. So, have you been wondering, how can I use hashtags for my business? Or why should I use hashtags for my business? Well, keep watching, keep listening. This video is for you. We're diving all in to hashtags. If you don't know what a hashtag is, it's a word or phrase that has a number sign or pound sign before it, and you would usually see it in the caption of a social media post. You can use hashtags for your business to group content together. For example, if you have a specific hashtag that pertains to your business, you can allow customers to view your offerings all in one location on social media. You can also use hashtags to increase your reach and gain exposure. If your target audience is following a specific hashtag, it gives you a chance to be discovered. Hashtag also provides you with a way to do competitor research because chances are you and your competitors would be using some of the same hashtags. And if you're following these hashtags, you will get to see what they're posting and what they're up to. Hashtags are also a great way for you to gather content ideas. If you're following specific hashtags that are in your niche and your industry, it allows you to stay on top of trends and gather information for your post and your brand. Hashtags are also a great way for you to build a community around your brand and engage with your customers. So now that you know how and why you should use hashtags, here are a few hashtags that you can use. Community-based hashtags. Now these hashtags are related to your industry, niche, or location. Product or service hashtags. These are created around the product or service that you offer. Hashtag clean beauty, hashtag pre-loved bags. Promotional hashtags. Now these hashtags are used for campaigns, promotions, events, or any sale activity that you have. Branded hashtags. These are created around your brand or business. For example, a hashtag can be created around your brand name, your slogan, your tagline, or if you're a designer and you have a collection out, you can create a hashtag about that. Themed hashtags. These are hashtags that you can use daily. For example, Selfie Saturday, Wellness Wednesday, Style Tip Tuesday. So now that you have the category for hashtags, I want you to create a hashtag bank and create about 20 hashtags per category. So when it's time for you to post, you have some hashtags that you can draw on. And don't worry, I haven't left you hanging. Below are some tools that can help you find the perfect hashtags for your business. And these tools not only find hashtags, they also help you to measure the performance of these hashtags. And these tools are hashtag for likes, hashtag IQ, and right tag. Hashtag IQ also has an additional feature where you can scan to see if a hashtag has been banned or not. Because depending on how a hashtag is used, Instagram would ban that hashtag. And if you use that hashtag, your account could be shadow banned, meaning that your account will be temporarily banned. It could probably last for a day, 2 weeks, a month. So this is a useful feature to have. And in addition to these tools, you can also find hashtags for your business by looking at your competitors, looking at influencers, as well as looking at the accounts of your target audience or industry leaders. Now, when searching for hashtags for your business, you should also pay attention to how many people have used that particular hashtag, because that will make the difference whether your posts are discovered or not. The majority of hashtags in your hashtag bank should be moderately used. They should have 5,000, could be less, to 90,000 posts for that hashtag. And hashtags in this category, you can use 10 to 15 per post. Hashtags with an average use of 100,000 to 900,000, you can use 6 to 8 hashtags from this category. Frequent and trending hashtag. These are hashtags with 1 million and up posts. And when you're now starting off, focus on hashtags with 1 million to 1.5 million. And you can use 1 to 2 hashtags from this category, because so many people are using this hashtag or these hashtags that your chances of being discovered are slim. And I know what you're thinking. Okay, if my chances are slim, why should I use these hashtags? Because they're trending, and if you post hashtags from this category, for a period of time, a small period of time, you can still attract attention from your customers. So you can use them. Now, Instagram allows you to use up to 30 hashtags per post. And you should use 15 for the least, because your goal is to be discovered, is exposure. And just like hashtag usage, you also want to pay attention to how you post your hashtag types. So for community-based hashtags, you can use 5 to 7 hashtags. Product or service hashtags, 5 to 7 hashtags as well. Branded hashtags, 1 or 2. Promotional hashtags, 1 or 2. Themed hashtag, 1 or 2 as well. Now, for each post, you do not need to put all these categories or hashtags from each of these categories, because if you don't have a sale or a campaign, why post a hashtag about that, right? So the hashtags can vary, and you don't have to use from each category. And always switch up your hashtags, because you don't want to look spammy and you don't want to look bot-like. And always pay attention to your hashtag performance, as well as always add hashtags to your hashtag bank and take out hashtags that are not working for you. Yes, I know it's a lot, but running a business is work. And if you want to be successful at it, you have to have a strategy for everything that you do. So just to recap, we learned why use hashtags and how to use them, the types of hashtags you can use, where to find hashtags for your business, and the tools you can use to help you find these hashtags, and finally, how many hashtags you can use per post. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, and you can also comment below and tell me what you think. And also, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe.